Hello friends, today our topic is manual testing. Manual testing is the process of testing the software by executing the test cases by the software tester without taking the help of any automation tool. The purpose is to identify the bugs, issues and the defect in the software application. Now, manual testing is further classified into white box, black box and gray box testing. The white box testing is done by developers where they check every line of code before giving it to the test engineer. Since the code is visible for the developer during the testing, that is why it is also known as white box testing. Now, the black box testing is done by the test engineer where they can check the functionality of an application or the software according to the customer and client needs. In this, the code is not visible while performing the testing. That's why it is also known as black box testing. Now, gray box testing is a combination of white box and black box testing. It can be performed by a person who know both coding and testing part. And if the single person performs white box as well as black box testing, then this is also known as gray box testing. Now, the advantage and disadvantage of manual testing is uh, something like the advantages are we there are no environmental limitation. Programming knowledge is not required to perform manual testing. Recommendable for usability testing. So you can test the software with your own sense. Uh, the tester can observe the application during testing, make sure the user friendliness, betterness of the software, and the and manual testing of an application identify most of the issues. These are some advantage of manual testing. Coming to the disadvantage of manual testing, the manual testing requires more time, more resource, sometimes both time and resource to perform testing. Uh, Manual testing is basically performed with less accuracy. Manual testing, performance testing is impractical, and then executing same test again and again is a time-taking process. It is also a tedious task to perform by a software tester.